Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Crafts with Pragati. Today I will show you how to create this beautiful wall hanging with ice cream stick. I will show you all the steps to make it, so watch the video till the end, and if you are new here, subscribe my channel. So let's get started. First, take some ice cream sticks and arrange them as I am showing. Connect them with glue. So this is done. Now take a small size paper cup and cut it in half. Then take any hard paper and mark the outline of this paper cup on it. And cut it. Connect these two parts with each other. Then take some ice cream sticks and mark 7 cm. And cut the extra portion of the sticks. Connect the sticks with this paper cup. So it is done. Now connect these two parts with each other. Then take a red color paper and draw a small circle over it with any circle object and cut it. Then make a flower petal as I am showing. We need total 5 petals. Then connect these all petals with each other. So the flower is ready. Now connect this flower with this wall hanging. Connect a half cut pulse in the middle of this flower. Now decorate the wall hanging with some stones. So it is done. Now take a decorative tape and connect it on the lower portion of this wall hanging. Decorate with half cut pearls. Then take any small thread and connect at the back side for hanging. Now put some artificial plants on this small basket. So this beautiful wall hanging is ready. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.